Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite drinks, turmeric milk. This golden-hued beverage has been gaining popularity recently for its numerous health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So, let's dive in and learn how to make this delicious and nutritious drink. Turmeric, curcuma longa, is a flowering plant that belongs to the ginger family, Zingiberaceae. It is native to Southeast Asia and is widely used in Indian, Thai, and Middle Eastern cuisine, as well as in traditional medicine. Turmeric has a distinctive bright yellow-orange color and a slightly bitter taste. It is commonly used as a spice in cooking, particularly in curries, and is also used to add color and flavor to other dishes. In addition to its culinary uses, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of conditions, such as digestive disorders, skin conditions, and inflammation. The active compound in turmeric that is responsible for its health benefits is called curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and may also have anti-cancer and antibacterial effects. It is also being studied for its potential benefits in treating depression, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurological disorders. Turmeric is available in various forms, including fresh turmeric root, turmeric powder, and supplements. When using fresh turmeric root, the root is peeled and grated or minced before use. Turmeric powder can be added directly to dishes or used to make turmeric milk or other beverages. There are several potential health benefits associated with drinking turmeric milk. Here are a few. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is associated with a number of chronic health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and some types of cancer. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric also has antioxidant properties, which means it can help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body that can cause cell damage and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Digestive health. Turmeric is thought to help improve digestion and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. It may also help to reduce gas and bloating. Immune system support. Turmeric has been shown to have immune-modulating effects, which means it can help to support a healthy immune system and reduce the risk of infections. Mood and brain function. Some studies have suggested that curcumin may help to improve mood and brain function by increasing levels of a brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that is important for learning and memory. It's important to note that while turmeric milk has many potential health benefits, it should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment or medication. If you have any health concerns or medical conditions, be sure to talk to your doctor before adding turmeric milk to your diet. Let's make some turmeric milk, friends. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer: dairy, almond, soy, etc. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. A pinch of black pepper. Instructions. 1. Start by pouring your milk into a small saucepan and heating it over medium-low heat. 2. Add the cinnamon stick to the milk and stir it in. 3. Next, add the ground turmeric and black pepper to the milk and whisk everything together until well combined. 4. Continue to heat the mixture until it starts to simmer. 5. Once the milk is simmering, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. 5. This will help the flavors meld together and give the milk a richer taste. 6. If you'd like your turmeric milk to be sweetened, add a teaspoon of honey and stir it in until it dissolves. 7. Finally, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the cinnamon stick and any lumps of turmeric. And there you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for turmeric milk. This drink is perfect for any time of day, whether you're looking for a soothing bedtime beverage or an afternoon pick-me-up. Not only does it taste great, but it's also loaded with health benefits, making it a win-win in my book. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.